Hello, you're welcome to Petrol Entrepreneurs. In today's episode, I want to give you 5 hacks to achieve your business goals in next 3 months. So if you're a small business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, this video is for you. You want to achieve your goals, your business goal in 2025 in the next 3 months. This video is for you. Don't skip it. The last hack is the most important. Don't fail to listen to the end because the last point is the most important you must listen to. Number one, identify your business challenge. What is the greatest challenge your business is facing? Now, most small businesses and young entrepreneurs, their greatest challenge in business is the capacity of the business owner to know, to identify, to know, and to solve business problem. Small businesses, and young entrepreneurs find it difficult to identify the greatest challenge of their problem. One of the greatest challenge of small businesses, one of the greatest challenges of small businesses is lack of capacity of the business owner to even know the problem and how to solve it. So identify the problem. If you are the problem, because your business cannot grow more than your capacity, what you can offer to the business. So you need to know what the problem is in the first place. So identify all your problems. Number two, get a mentor as quick as possible. Some mentors will come free, some will not come free. Borrow other people's brain. That is the shortcut to achieve your goals in next 3 months. Ensure that you get other people's intellect, other people's knowledge, other people's experience. Steal it by getting a mentor. Getting a mentor can save you months and resources of trial and error. So get a mentor as soon as possible. Find a mentor that can help you. If it means paying, pay. If it's free, get a mentor. Get a mentor that can help you identify your problem, find solutions to your problem. If it means developing your capacity, such a mentor can help you do that. That is number two. Number three, develop step-by-step guide. Such a mentor can also help you come up with actionable plan, step-by-step guide of what to do, how to do it, and who you will do it with. So if you get a mentor and you sit down with a great mentor, he can help you come up, develop actionable plan in immediately. That will give you the roadmap, what to do, how to do it, and who to do it with. So get a mentor, let the mentor help you develop actionable plan. But if you can do that on your own, based on the fact that you understand your business very well, that is great one. Develop action plan. As the year is starting, have a clear action plan of where to go, how to go, and what you need to do when you get there. Now, the fourth one, continuously learn. You cannot stop learning as an entrepreneur, as a small business owner. Study the environment, study what is working, study what is not working. You cannot continue to remain the same way you are last year 2024 and still want to succeed in 2025. Note, 2024 is not the same as 2025. So if you want to succeed, there could be things that worked in 2024, they are not working in 2025. Make sure you know what is working in 2025. Do what is working. The ones that worked in 2024, if they are still working, you retain them. If there are room for improvement, improve them. Very, very important. Don't stop learning. Continue to learn, and above all, don't allow your learning to lead to inaction. Every learning should lead to action. If it's possible, multiple action. So learn and act. Learn and act. Everything you learn from mentor yourself, from environment, what was working in 2024 and what is working in 2025, apply them. As you are learning, you are applying. That is number 4. Continuously learn and apply. This will give you 80% result in next 3 months. If you are seriously desiring to get result as early as next 3 months, first quarter of the year, you can do that. But you need to learn and continuously apply. Apply what you learn and you get result as fast as possible. The last but not the least, very important, follow this channel. If you want to get tips, hacks as a small business owner, as an young entrepreneur struggling to grow in your business endeavors, especially those that are offline, where I'm coming from. So if you are offline entrepreneur, you are not content creator, you are not online person, you have offline business, which most of them are struggling based on economic reality and the current trends in business. Most offline businesses have not embraced digital integration, how to integrate. Of course, I did a video, I will drop the link in this in the comment section. If you have not watched it, the benefits of integrating your small business in online, so you need to watch that video. Of course, I will do another video that will talk about how to integrate your small businesses online. So know what is working in 2025 and apply them. So the last but not the least, follow this channel, subscribe and follow us. And if you have any question, we are willing to help you. We are willing to help you both financially and technically. In any capacity, we can support you to get your result as soon as possible. We can offer you mentorship. We can give you free advice. We can give you free consultation to make sure you get results. So if you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner struggling to get results, and as soon as possible in the next 3 months, we can be of help to you. All you need is reach out, drop your comment, and chat us up. We can reach out to you and see how we can help you get your result. So see you in the next episode. Thank you.